Hi, my name is Alexa. I am the owner here at Business Marketing Times 10. I am a social media marketing specialist and I help business owners like yourself increase your revenue, your brand awareness, and your sales through leveraging social media. So you're probably wondering why you're getting this video. I came across your website and your Facebook and I just wanted to give you some advice and some tips on to how to increase your presence with social media to hopefully turn prospects into paying clients. So I wanted to start with your Facebook. You have 104 people who like your page, but you haven't posted since November. So one thing I would recommend is just trying to keep up with the consistency of your posts, at least doing every other day. I mean, 3 times a week if you have to scale it down a bit, but just like I said, keeping consistent with those posts. Going along with the posts, I would also recommend doing videos. So whether that's a video of you putting together a bouquet or explaining why you're using these flowers or what these flowers are for, like what type of occasion, even if you're just doing like a Facebook Live, walking around, letting people see behind the scenes of your business, those types of things just to get more engagement and likes and followers. Let people know, you're still on social media, hopefully to, like I said, increase that brand awareness so that more people are likely to contact you for business. So another thing I would recommend is doing maybe a giveaway. So something of like large value. So let's say you put together a bouquet of like $150. So you would advertise that on Facebook, say one lucky person is going to get this $150 value bouquet in exchange for email, name, and you could do even phone number if you want. A great thing about that is you can capture a lot of emails, so you're going to grow your email list, which is good for email marketing to get more warm leads into paying clients. And also it will just, like I said, grow your Facebook, hopefully get you more sales throughout that. One post, so that would be another thing I'd recommend, and just doing Facebook advertising in general. So I don't know if you've ever done it before, but you can just go in this little drop down menu and click create ads. That's one of the best ways. That'll take you to Facebook's ad manager where you can create posts for video views, brand awareness, post engagement, page likes. There's a lot of endless options that you can do. So moving on to your website, one thing I would recommend is looking into putting a little landing page to capture more emails right here, saying here's $5 off your next order or 10% off your next order. Here's an ebook on what type of flowers you should order for what occasion, or what types of flowers would look good in a certain wedding. Just like sorts of things that you can give away for free that people, like I said, will give you in exchange for their email, because growing your email list is very important for businesses. You can always retarget your email marketing to get more sales throughout that. So that's one thing I would recommend. Maybe looking at posting a branding video. So creating a video about who you are as an owner, why you decided to open a floral shop, what you like about being in the floral business, why you like to help other people choose their flowers, how long you've been doing this for, those types of things that just let people see, what your business is about, how you are as an owner. That makes you seem more trustworthy, more relatable. People are more likely to see who you really are and who your business is as a whole before they get to contact you or anything like that. So then they'll be more likely to be like, oh, I'm going to choose this person over your competitor in the area or something like that. So those are a couple things I would recommend. And then just moving on to your Instagram, it doesn't look like you post on Instagram either, so pretty much the same thing as Facebook that I recommended. Just post more often. You can simultaneously post with Instagram and Facebook, and just using more videos. And with Instagram as well, I would utilize hashtags, so more hashtags in your area, obviously utilizing a caption as well, and then doing geotags, like checking in your area or like the Chicago metropolitan area or something like that. So yeah, these are all services that I do offer as a social media marketer. If you have any questions or anything didn't really make any sense, feel free to reach back out, but I would love to hop on a call with you to see how I can maybe help you increase your sales and your brand awareness. But I did just want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day.